Got a whole pack of these carb counter Banderita, 0 net carbs per serving. Keto friendly and certified, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. But anyway, we try to do like mostly carnivore, but for the most part, like maybe do a little bit of like a couple of carbs, because lately I've been feeling a little dizzy just eating just carnivore. Not dizzy, but just kind of drained, and I know that's, you know, one of the things that happens to a lot of people. So anyway, 60 calories, 13 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fiber, so net, but still decent amount of carbs. And what I'm going to do is, I got these Poblano peppers, ribeye that I cooked a few days ago that I chopped up in little pieces, sliced up, I guess. And then some asparagus, all cooked in garlic butter. So now I'm going to make about 16 of those taco shells, use a couple tonight, one for me, but and then I'll show you the bag later of how we store them. Actually, these guys are pretty thin, so this may be more of a fajita than a taco, which probably would something different. But there, yeah, you can see they're real flimsy. Oh, one thing that I forgot to mention that sometimes we do, just add a little flavor to these taco shells, is squeeze some lime juice, the fresh lime here, putting that on the taco shell as I'm cooking it up, and oh man, you can smell it. It smells just like, oh, lime. Oh, beautiful. Nice little crust on it. Oh, look at that. That'll make a nice taco or fajita right there, or quesadilla. Making tacos. These tacos are incredible. They're 60 calories. They have 13 grams of carbs, but 12 of them are fiber. So it's like a lot of fiber. And I squeeze a little lime on here, and then I'll pop that, which I don't see that often. Look at that. Nice little crust to it. What gets me is these Mexican restaurants and like taco drive-thru places. It's like you get a taco, and the taco's got 250 calories. Now, it'd be fine if most people going to these places can afford to eat some a bunch of calories and carbs and taco shells. But look at this. I'm making a whole stack of them for the week. These things are 60 calories, about 50% of your daily fiber, and they got lime juice on them. They taste delicious. And then when you add something like that to it, healthy steak and vegetables, oh man, it's a healthy meal, probably 150 calories per taco, and hardly any carbs. Once again, folks, we're doing these taco shells. I made 16 of them. They're 60 calories each. 13 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fiber, and some sodium, but they're eating mostly carnivore, probably not too bad, but keto certification, yay. Don't really care so much about that. I like tacos, and then it's so nice to have some tacos that are only 60 calories when you go to a drive-thru or something like that, and in tacos, it's got all kinds of preservatives in it, and the taco shells are probably 150, 200 calories each by themselves. These guys right here, there's 16 of them. I sauteed them up in a pan. Now I'm cooking some mushrooms in that same pan. Sauteed it up with some spray butter, and then squeeze some lemon juice like you'll see in the prior video. And then what I'm going to do is put them in a bag here so you can see how we store them. And then we get home at night, because we work 10, 12 hours a day, sometimes 6, 7 days a week, just very busy, doing nonprofit stuff as well. And you'll see, we just take one out, throw it in the microwave for like 10 seconds, take some leftover beef, throw it in the microwave. You got a taco, pretty much keto-friendly taco, very healthy compared to anything you get in the store or at a restaurant. Here's the final product. Steak, poblano peppers, and asparagus all sauteed up, chopped up in little pieces. Sauteed in garlic butter, a little bit of sauce, carb-free sauce. Avocado too, right there. Fresh avocado.